The cordless robotic pool vacuum PV-1300 is a cutting-edge solution for maintaining above-ground pools, offering extensive cleaning capabilities across areas up to 1,300 square feet. With a robust 6,600 milliampere-hour battery, this pool vacuum ensures a thorough cleaning session that can last up to 130 minutes, providing ample time to cover large pool surfaces. Equipped with a high-performance motor and dual suction ports, this vacuum efficiently removes dirt and debris, leaving your pool sparkling clean and ready for use. The innovative Lock Dirt Tech 3.0 system prevents leaks and allows for efficient water drainage, while its design accommodates 30% more debris than traditional models, making maintenance a breeze. Featuring self-auto parking, the vacuum conveniently positions itself near the pool edge when the battery is low, making it easy to retrieve and manage for users of all experience levels. This cordless model eliminates the hassle of tangled hoses, and its high-speed motor is adept at handling various types of dirt across different flat pool surfaces, ensuring a pristine pool environment.